Hi everyone! For today's video, I wanted to quickly share with you what I carry inside my LOEWE puzzle bag. My bag is in the color tan in the size medium. I carry this bag as a shoulder bag most of the time. I stopped using this bag since I got it. It's so easy to use. I love this bag. I never expected that I'll be using this bag as much as I'm using it right now. I'll start by showing you what I put inside the exterior pocket. I have I have my LOEWE jewelry pouches. I have 3, and you can actually fit a card holder in here, or sometimes I put my Chanel key holder here and it fits perfectly. I have no problem. If I want like a quick access to my keys, I put them here. But right now, I do have my LOEWE jewelry. So outside, I just hook here my Touchland hand sanitizer for quick access, of course. And the inside pocket, I have my beanie because I'm wearing this pink joggers. So I have this beanie that I got from H&M last year, or I think last year. Yeah, last winter. So this is the after weekend story of my bag. There are people who saying this is a realistic what's inside my bag video. I don't think there's a real I don't think there's a fake what's inside my bag video. There are just women who are so organized, and let me tell you, they exist. I'm not that organized, but I love to keep my things in pouches. That's how I keep my things organized somehow. So yeah. So let me start by grabbing my wallet. This is my main wallet. This is the Gucci Horsebit. Not compact wallet, because if you open this wallet, there's this D-rings for the chain. So you can use this as a crossbody, like a mini bag. And yeah, that's what I do. That's my wallet. And then I have a bunch of receipts from Potato Corner, from Costco. This is gonna be a messy what's inside my bag. I have this Prada wallet that holds some cards and my Clipper card. I have some masks over here because I still use them whenever I feel the need. I have this LOEWE key pouch, but I use this for my rosary. Yeah, that I always bring with me. And then it's so messy, I'm sorry. And I have my AirPods. This is the 3rd generation. And we're just in the main compartment. Yes, it's so messy. I have a hair clamp, shock. So pretty, love the color. And another shock, just plain. And just grabbing everything inside. This is my Tom Ford sleigh. But yeah, it's the perfume travel size. I love it because I always carry a small bag, and if you're gonna bring a full-size bottle of perfume, it's gonna be too heavy. So, and this is my key holder, and let me show you that it fits inside. Yep, it fits inside. So for quick access, sometimes I put this here, but right now it's in the interior pocket. I have this one for business cards, and I have another perfume. What else? I have a snack, the kind bar. Another snack. just in case. You'll never know when you're gonna get hungry. And another receipt and a plastic. Oh my gosh. IT. Oh yeah, because when did I went to IT? I think that was Saturday when I went to IT and I ordered the basil chicken and calamari. I have a chocolate because it's that time of the year where people gives you chocolates and more garbage, rubbish. And guys, I'm so excited to share this with you. It's so cute. Ta-da! My LOEWE pouch that I bidded for on eBay. It's from Japan and I won it. Of course, I didn't sleep. No, it ended around 6 p.m. So it's so cute. I think it's a vintage piece, guys, but it's still really nice, clean. And let me show you the interior. Interior is that famous LOEWE print, if you can see. It's super nice. So here I have my Lucky Charms, my stones. I got the stones or the gems from Hanuman Temple. And I have this keychain. So what's left are the things in the pockets. So I have this chain that I attached to my Gucci wallet, because this is Louis Vuitton. From my, which bag is it from? From my, I think, not favorite. From my Felici bag, and this is the perfect length for me to attach to my wallet so I can use it as a crossbody. I have this Karma and Luck holder that holds my bracelets. I have the and the Evil Eye one. I'm using the Hamsa right now. There. Oh. Anyhow. And a Starbucks gift card because it's that time of the year again where when people is just handing out Starbucks gift cards. So fun. And I have the Christian Dior the Bomb, Le Bomb. How do you pronounce it? Let me know on the comment section down below. Yes, so guys, this thing is refillable. You're just gonna twist this top part and you'll be able to refill it. But mine is still full. I haven't used this yet that much. And on the other pockets, let me grab everything. I have a Lipton tea bag, some more receipt, and Powerball, and Mega thingy, and a silica gel. So I'll just put back because I still need those. But I'll be cleaning my bag, guys. Don't worry. I know it's it's so messy, but yes, that's how I use this bag. I stopped babying my bags because that's what I did before and I was not able to enjoy my bags. So that's it for my what's inside my LOEWE bag. This is such a very soft bag. I love it. And if you're planning to get one, just get it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on my next. Bye!